Hi, I'm Mrs. Cox, and I'm here to talk to you about digital box tops. For the next year, you'll still be able to cut out the box tops that looks like this and submit them to our school. If you see a box top that looks like this, it means it's a digital one that you'll download onto our app.
So for digital box tops, you're going to want to download the BoxTops app if you haven't already done so, which is this one right here. Go ahead and click that. If you're unsure which items have box tops on them, on the lower right hand corner you can go ahead and click products, and here you're able to scroll through and kind of have a game plan before you even get to the store. Pick out some healthy snacks, dinners, cleaners for your house. They even have school supplies that have box tops on them as well. Once you've made your purchase in store and you have your receipt, you're going to go ahead and click the middle bottom button that says scan. Now there's no actual barcode on your receipt, you're just taking a picture. And if you have a long receipt, you do need to get the whole thing. So what I like to do is I fold it in half so I have a nice solid crease and I remember where I took my first picture, and then you're just going to flip it over for the second picture. So I'll go ahead and show you what this looks like. I line up my receipt, take the picture, hit the section button because this is a longer receipt. Go ahead and flip it over. And if you notice on the top of my screen, it's still showing the bottom half of my first picture. Go ahead and click that as well. If I want to apply credit for my daughter, so it goes to her name, you're going to go ahead and hit that credit. Right here, I already have Woodcrest Christian Day School submitted. If you want to do an individual name, you could do a dash with their name and the room number. I just leave mine this way, so it goes for the whole school. Go ahead and click done. And then you're going to hit submit. And my favorite part, once it calculates what you have, you get fun BoxTops confetti. So here it shows 20 cents. I have bought two products. One was digital and one was a cut and paste onto the papers that the school has provided. And for this year, you are able to double dip, which is so exciting. So even though one of them was just a clip and submit, I can also still scan the receipt and get double points for that. So now the school got 20 cents for those two, and I'm also going to still cut out that one box top and turn it into the school when they're doing the box tops collections, or anytime you can send it in your child's folder with their name on it in an envelope. Here it is showing the two items that I bought. It shows the school. If for some reason something's missing, you can hit that report missing earnings. Looks good to me, so I'm going to hit the X. If I go back to the home screen up here, I can see how much our school has earned just from the digital. This doesn't include the paper ones that are being submitted, and I can also see the ones for myself on my lifetime earnings.
Thank you so much for participating in box tops and helping to raise money for our school.